Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix white corrupted desktop icons here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. So here you need to type percentage app data percentage. Again, it is percentage app data percentage. Click on OK to proceed. So once you're here, go with view and go with show and make sure that this hidden items is checked. Okay? Once done, you can see there at the very last of this file folders icon cache. In my case, I don't have such because I have just delete it. Okay, so in your case, if you have, just have to shift to delete or just have to select it and delete the icon cached, and then once done, just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, and let's if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step where we need to open our task manager. How we can do that, at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with task manager, which is next to terminal admin. Click on it. Once you have opened your task manager, expand it first and directly proceed to processes. And here you need to look for Windows Explorer. It might be aligning the apps or the background processes or at the Windows processes. So if you can see any of Windows Explorer here under the apps, just simply use the search bar and search for Windows Explorer. Okay? So there you can find the result, which is the Windows Explorer itself. Do a right click and go with restart. So once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, it will fix the problem. Okay? Just trust me. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.